So we just finished up with the Cyclops headlight install, the GPS mount, the wiring, the hard wiring rather, straight to the battery. We also hooked up a battery charger and then also a 2-plug USB, which will sit nicely in my take bag. So next up, we'll do this beast. I'm going to take this big hunk of metal off and swap it out with a wing shorty. So just pulled the wings exhaust out of the box here. Just got the box about a week ago from Gorazd. I'm probably butchering his name. Nice guy. Anyways, that's the significant difference between the two exhausts. The weight difference is ridiculous. This thing's a tank, so it'd be nice to lose the weight. So, just finished putting on the wing shorty. If I understand it correctly, I believe the larger of the two inserts is in there. So you got the smaller one for a little quieter, this larger one for a little louder, and I guess you can run it without. So I might try that later, but let's fire it up. I'm rather excited. Awesome. Well, that's a significant improvement. I can't wait to piss off the neighbors.